Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about few important facts of the human body. I am going to tell you about the important facts of the human body, means what is the largest bone, what is the smallest bone and all. I will be telling you in this also. I am going to make one series. So let's begin. Number 1 is, what is the longest, heaviest, strongest bone in the human body? That is femur. 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 Femur means what? That is thigh bone. We have thigh bone. This is the very longest, heaviest and strongest bone. If you got in exam a question which is the longest bone or which is the heaviest bone or strongest bone in a human body. So thigh bone. You have to remember it's a thigh bone. Thigh bone means femur. It starts with the letter F. Femur. Femur bone. And next is, what is smallest bone? Very small bone in the human body. You have to remember. That is stapes. Stapes. This is actually it will be in the ear. Inside the ear. Inside ear bone, there is very smallest bone present in the human body, that is stapes. Largest bone, like longest, heaviest, strongest bone is femur, that is thigh bone in the human body, and smallest, very smallest bone present in the human body, you have to remember, that is ear, inside ear bone, that is stapes. And the next is largest cell. We have cell. Cell is the main functional unit of the human body. Cell, everywhere in the human body there cells present. Those are the function. This is basic important functional unit of the human body, or the cell. So in that cells, what is the largest cell in the human body? That is neuron. Neuron cell actually present in the brain, in the nervous system. This will send and receive the signals from brain to other parts of the body and from other parts to the brain. So this is the largest cell in the human body, that is neuron. You have to remember neuron. That is the largest cell in the human body. And next one is largest artery. In the previous video, I have told you about what is artery and vein. So what is largest artery? That is abdominal aorta. Abdominal aorta means artery. Abdominal means stomach. This is the artery. Abdominal means stomach, you have to remember. So the largest artery in the human body is abdominal aorta. And next is, what is the largest vein in the human body? Largest vein. Vein means only impure blood will flow. That means it don't have oxygen. So in that, what is a very largest vein? That is inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava is the largest vein in the human body. So these are the 5 important facts of the human body. First one is long, heavy, strong bone, that is femur, thigh bone. Smallest bone is stapes, inside ear bone. Largest cell is neuron, that is nerve cell in the nervous system. Largest artery, that is abdominal aorta. Largest vein, that is inferior vena cava. These are the 5 important facts of the human body. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates and the notifications. Thanks for watching, guys.